Old English, Anglo-Saxon period, Part 3. Listen to learn. The father of English prose, King Alfred the Great. The first of King Alfred's translations, Pastoral Care. The last of King Alfred's translations, Soliloquies of Saint Augustine. Works of Alfric, Grammar, Catholic Homilies, Lives of Saints, Colloquy, a dialogue between a master and a pupil. The beginning of historical writings are to be seen in Anglo-Saxon chronicles. The oldest of the four Old English poetic codices, Worsley Book. Father of English history, Saint Bede. The Novel Codex contains the heroic poems Judith, Beowulf. Beowulf was the king of Geats. The longest poem in English literature, Beowulf. One of the finest narrative dealing with the exploits of Walter of Aquitaine, Walder. A poem that alludes to the Finn episode in Beowulf and usually taken to be the fragment of the same, the fight at Finnsburg. The predominant dialect in Beowulf, West Saxon. The poem of a brave woman's efforts to save and protect her people by beheading the Assyrian general Holofernes, Judith. Judith, homily was written by Alfric of Ensham. J.J.R. Tolkien's work inspired from the epilogue of Beowulf, The Hobbit. The story of Caedmon's divine inspiration is found in Bede's ecclesiastical history. Old English period extends from 450 to 1066 AD. The dialect considered to be the first standardized form of English, West Saxon. The dialect to produce the first copy of literature in English, Northumbrian, whose poetry is called sign poems, Cynewulf. The poem considered as the finest and earliest of Old English religious poem, The Dream to the Road. The elegies of Old English are combined in Exeter books. Elegies, The Wanderer, The Seafarer, Wife's Lament, Husband's Message. The largest collection of Old English is collected in the anthology Exeter Books. The oldest poem in English language, Winceth, in Exeter Books. The Caedmon poems are preserved in Junius manuscript in Bodleian Library. Anthology, a published collection of poems, ecclesiastical, relating to the Christian Church and its clergy. Epilogue, a section or speech at the end of a book or play that serves as a comment on or a conclusion to what has happened. Thank you.